Okay, padulong na mi sa ilahang production. Kung paano gihimo ilahang wine. Okay, sana si Nida. Ano siya ang kasi ng wine. Yes. Ano siya. Siya tayo. Ano siya turn into grapes. Production. Siya tayo. Nasa ilang buwan.
Okay, Levon, it's a new winery, a lot of technology. Please be careful not to sort of slide or hit. Let's do it. I'm going to keep walking and you can follow. Is someone translating or we understand each other?
Yes, understand.
Okay. If you have any questions, go for it. Levon, the first room I am entering now, this is the heart of the winery. This is where all the grapes and the juice ferment. So this is called the fermentation.
Fermentation.
All these tanks, these stainless steel tanks, they can hold up. And this is where we take all the sugars from the grapes and ferment it into wine. So it's a lot of wine. This is all like
Mao din ni ilang gikuan fermentation is a wine. So diri ni isulod.
300,000 bottles per year.
Wow. 300,000 per box. The next na punta.
Well, this is the beginning. I'm going to show you what's happening. Where are you sending all these videos? Where do you keep it? Okay. Yvonne, ladies, this is where in the beginning of September, late August, we start harvesting the grapes, collect the grapes from the vineyards, and this is the first contact with the machines. So, collection happens very early in the morning. Temperatures are very important. We put all the grapes into this machine. We take off the woody part. We don't use that. It's too bitter. And then all the grapes are basically mashed into the mixer here. So this is like something breaking the grapes into a juice. From that point, we will be pushing all of that juice with the skins into one of the fermentation tanks, right? So this is where we basically transform that into wine, right? The main difference is the white wines are usually just fermented and then stabilized and bottled, but the red wines, we ferment for longer and we have to go in the barrels for aging. So you're going to turn your backs around. We're going to go that way.
Yeah.
So let me go first so we don't get lost. Second part of winemaking begins.
Tabi kong lahat vlogger. Sorry, lahat vlogger.
Sorry, vlogger lahat mga to.
Lahat vlogger nakapasok.
Lahat vlogger.
No, news. Ang dami rin camera na pa.
Okay, go for it. Don't be afraid. Nobody got so locked in here. So these are the cellars. This is where we preserve and age the wine.
Preservation.
Preservation stage.
Preservation area.
Preservation.
This is the preservation area. So dito nila preserve yung wine nila. Oh. Motong first process, dito na siya dapit. Katong dagko kay mga tangke, mao to siyang kuan. Humagsuot sa to sa grapes. Mao na ni siya ang mga bottles. So
So you can feel that this is a very sensitive room. This is a
Wala pang remembrance. Wala pa kami nga remembrance.
If you want to save the wine or the bottle,
Can we have only one bottle for remembrance?
you have to make sure of two things. No sunlight, so sun,
Uy, ang laki yun, no?
Oo, ang laki ng botelya.
not